Hey guys, my name is Emery Parsons and I'm the marketing manager here at PDMG. Today I'm going to be taking you guys through our latest blog post, which you can find on our website and on our LinkedIn. I will include the links down below this video. And so this is going to be week 2 of the shipping series. So let's get started. This week we're going to talk about how to maximize your Amazon FBA pallet shipping costs. And this is going to apply to LTL, less than truckload, and how you're going to maximize your costs for your small and your large size units. So let's first see which category you might fall under. Are you the small and light, or are you the larger size units? So if you are a small and light size unit that has a very high case count with a retail price above $24.99 and you weigh less than 1 pound, your units, you are going to want to evaluate using FBA inventory placement service. And over here, if you are a larger size unit and this is a situation where the unit is the case pack, then you're going to want to evaluate using the Pallet Master Case PDMG hack. So first, we're going to look at this over here. We're going to look at when you want to evaluate using FBA inventory placement services for your small and light size units. So that's where we're going to start. What is the service? How does it work? Rules, fees. So by default, when you create a shipping plan, Amazon may automatically divide your inventory into multiple shipments, each directed to various fulfillment centers across the country. Why do they do this? Amazon is trying to get your products in closer proximity to the customers who may order it. And when they do this, Amazon pushes the network distribution costs onto the seller. So you can avoid potentially high, inbound shipping costs by signing up for inventory placement service or IPS. When you do this, you are signing up to send all of your eligible inventory to one single center. This is typically in close proximity to your ship from location. Then, once the inventory arrives, Amazon will internally disperse the product to the various centers that it chooses. Okay, so tips for success here. At PDMG, on behalf of our clients, we will evaluate which option is more profitable for you, the seller. The options are, 1, build a shipment without choosing IPS and determine the total ship cost. In this case, Amazon might ask you to ship the pallets to various locations. Second option would be choose IPS and ship all your inventory to one location and then factor in the total costs. Okay, but if you choose inventory placement services, be sure to note these rules and exceptions right here. So there's a few product categories that might get directed to various fulfillment centers even if you sign up for IPS. So just make sure to note those here. And then if you're using IPS, these are going to be your fees, and it's by weight. Okay, so now let's move on to the Pallet Master Case PDMG hack. So this is going to be for those larger units. If your sellable units are individual products that are also the case, that's important, Amazon will make you label each product with a master case label. The issue with this is it can ruin the brand experience, cover up necessary information. And so we've come up with a hack to solve this. So what you're going to do for these larger and heavier items is ship in the same unit or units as the pallet master case. What is a pallet master case? How do I build one? Here are the steps. Step 1. Place as many units on a pallet up to 150. Wrap the units tightly. Make sure each unit has a unique barcode, UPC, or SKU. And then make sure all the units measure the same height and width on the pallet. That's because you want it to look, like a box. Step 2. Wrap the pallets with brown paper or cardboard, again, to make the pallet look like a box. Then you're going to place one master case label on top of the pallet, along with 4 pallet labels on each side. Then wrap it once more. Okay, so when you're doing this, you are shipping up to 150 products as one case. And this is important because now Amazon isn't going to break up your shipments and send 40 units to one center and 60 to another.
The benefits of doing this are
It keeps your package looking really good, keeps all the product together, allows for lower costs, because when Amazon decides to break up your shipments, it's their decision to do so and you pay for it, but this hack is forcing Amazon to pay for it. So this is going to lower your costs. And let us know if you have any questions. I think that about covers it. Have a great day.